Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch called Mount Mellick stitch. In this stitch we do one horizontal stitch and one vertical stitch alternatively. This is a decorative stitch used in border lines and in patterns. Now we'll do this stitch in a straight line. Insert the needle at any point in the line and bring out the needle. Next, do the vertical stitch from above the line to the line. Insert the needle above the line and bring out the needle on the line. So you will be getting a diagonal thread like this. Insert the needle inside the stitch, that is pass through the needle. I didn't pick any fabric now. Just pass through the needle and bring out like this. Again one horizontal stitch on the line from the previous point to the new point. Thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished the first stitch now. Again a vertical stitch above the line to the line. Pull over, you will get a diagonal stitch. Pass the needle through the stitch and again a horizontal stitch on the line from the previous stitch end point to the new stitch. Thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished the second stitch. Again the third stitch, vertical stitch. Insert the needle above the line and bring it out on the line. Pass the needle through the stitch. Again insert the needle at the end of the previous stitch and bring it out in the new stitch point. Thread below the needle. Pull over. We have finished the third stitch. And again the fourth stitch, vertical stitch. Insert the needle above the line and bring it out on the line. Pass the needle through the thread. Pull over. Insert the needle at the end of the previous stitch and bring it out in the new stitch point. Thread below the needle. Pull over. We have finished the fourth stitch. Continue this throughout the line. finish this stitch, just put the needle outside the stitch and pull over the thread behind. I hope you learned this stitch clearly, and this is the back view of the stitch. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, click on the links given in the description box. To learn more stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.